Are you struggling to get rich with day trading, fighting just to stay profitable in today's turbulent markets and extreme competition? Can you realistically quit your day job and strike it rich as a day trader in today's market? Let's dig deeper. Advances in technology have made day trading more accessible than ever. Years ago, you needed to call your broker to execute trades and pay high commissions. Now, with online brokerages, you can trade from your laptop for less than $10 per trade. Electronic trading has also enabled high-frequency trading. Computers using complex algorithms execute millions of trades per second based on tiny discrepancies in prices across exchanges. Some high-frequency trading firms even locate their servers physically closer to exchanges to gain a speed advantage measured in milliseconds. While most individual traders don't use high-frequency algorithms, technology has leveled the playing field. But just because day trading is more accessible doesn't mean making big money is easy. Markets are increasingly efficient, with fewer pricing inefficiencies for savvy traders to exploit. There's also more competition, even for trading opportunities that last just seconds or minutes. Let's look at the numbers behind day trading and what it takes to succeed. Exodus Capital is your premier destination for financial education. Think of us as the Netflix of financial knowledge, delivering a diverse range of content that covers real estate, investing, Turo car rental investments, e-commerce businesses, and much more. Our channel is your one-stop shop for gaining valuable insights into the world of finance, and we're here to help you multiply your income with an exclusive call to action that can supercharge your financial journey. Succeed. 90% of individual active traders lose money over any given time period. Success often requires strong risk management skills and mental fortitude. Day traders typically look for stocks or options with large daily price swings. Lower-priced stocks under $10 per share are popular among day traders due to higher volatility. Consistently profitable traders fine-tune strategies over many years and treat it as a business rather than gambling. As the stats show, most individual active traders lose money over time after accounting for commissions and fees. Day trading for a living requires tremendous skill, discipline, and mental stamina, but it is possible to succeed if you approach it as a true business. Let's explore some of the main trading strategies used by successful day traders. Momentum, taking advantage of surges in stock prices and volumes rising much higher than average. Trading halts are a risk. Range trading, identifying support and resistance levels where in a day. Aim to buy near support and sell near resistance. Trading breakouts above resistance or breakdowns below support. Confirm with high volumes. Reversals. Identify overextended stocks where prices are due to bounce back or retreat after strong unidirectional moves. Scalping. Attempting to profit from small price movements. May involve using high volumes and leverage. High fees pose challenges. News-based. Trading around major news events like FDA approvals, clinical trial data releases, and earnings. Time entries and exits carefully around volatility. Technical analysis. Using indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, RSI, and chart patterns to identify entry and exit points. No single trading strategy works all the time. You need to be flexible, quickly adapting to changing market conditions intraday. It's also best to find a niche trading style that fits your personality. How much money can you make? Let's assume you start